A very good morning to all and welcome to you all in the session. Today we are going to discuss about the approaches to design the control release drug delivery dosage form based on the different mechanism. This particular discussion is divided into three parts. In the part 1 we are going to discuss about a brief classification or idea about the different approaches, and in the second part in details we will discuss this first part section what we have already nominated, and in the third part we will just give you the outcome of the session. So let's start the discussion. Concept of different approaches. First of all, as far as the approach of control release drug delivery system is concerned, the major approaches or mechanism by which the control release drug delivery system releases the drug from the dosage form to the medium is best explained by this classification system. First one is diffusion. Now diffusion system is further classified into reservoir devices, and this is further classified into non-porous membrane reservoir device and microporous membrane reservoir device. Microporous can be classified into monolithic type device. Monolithic matrix device is again classified into non-porous matrix. It is further classified into monolithic solutions and monolithic dispersion, and microporous matrix is further classified into monolithic solution and monolithic dispersions. So these are the classification of a particular system called diffusion. Above all, the diffusion, further another system, this is called dissolution. Dissolution system having two more classification, sub-classification. They are called encapsulated dissolution system, this is reservoir systems, and matrix dissolution systems. Further, it can be classified into osmosis, ion exchange, and chemical mechanisms. Now chemical mechanism also can be further classified into chemical degradations and enzymatic degradation. These are the classifications. Through the classification system only I have just give you the information about different form or approaches through which drug release takes place from control release drug delivery systems. In the next section we are going to discuss it in details. So let's go and follow the next sections.